Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect bank account to QuickBooks. If you're manually entering every transaction in QuickBooks, you're wasting time and increasing the chance of errors. Connecting your bank account automates everything. Your transactions sync automatically, your records stay updated, and your accounting becomes much easier. Start by opening QuickBooks and logging into your account. From the left sidebar, click on Accounting. Then click on Bank Transactions. This is where all your bank data connects and syncs. So next, click on Connect Account. You'll see a list of banks. For example, let's select Chase Bank. For some banks like Chase, you may sign in using the mobile app and you may need to scan a QR code. If your bank isn't listed immediately, click on Show More. Choose another bank, such as Bank of America. Click it. Then a page appears for you to enter your login credentials and authorize access. This is the main connection process, which links QuickBooks to your bank and allows automatic transaction syncing. Instead of connecting directly, you can also use the method to upload transactions. Click on Upload Transactions. Then choose the account and upload your transaction file, which is usually from the bank. Why this option exists? Not all banks support direct connection, so it's useful if your bank isn't supported. Once connected, transactions automatically appear in QuickBooks. You can review and categorize them, and your records stay updated in real time. Using QuickBooks with your bank properly saves time and improves accuracy in your financial tracking. To summarize, connecting a bank account in QuickBooks involves going to Accounting, opening bank transactions, and either connecting your bank directly by signing in or uploading transactions manually. This allows your financial data to sync automatically and keeps your records up to date. And that's how to connect a bank account to QuickBooks. This is one of the most important setups you can do because once it's done, everything else becomes easier. Instead of entering data manually, you're working with real, synced information. That's how you move from basic bookkeeping to actually being in control of your finances. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.